Hi guys! For today's vlog ay gagawa tayo ng alamak fried chicken. At kung gusto nyo pong malaman kung paano yan gawin, just keep on watching.
Take what's mine and get back. I see what I like, I'ma get that. I'ma get that. I'ma get that. I see what I want, I'ma get that. Little house on the hill, I'ma get that.
For the marination, you need to prepare your whole chicken and massage it with your fish sauce and the calamansi juice. Marinate it at least an hour. After an hour of marination, boil water and add the garlic, onion, the bay leaves, the black pepper, salt, and the water. Boil it 12 to 15 minutes. And guys, make sure that the fire is in medium heat. Done boiling. And guys, yun na po ang ating chicken. Ating pinakuluang chicken na sobrang lambot na at sobrang ma-juicy na po yan sa loob at lasang-lasa na po ang ating mga inilagay na sangkap kanina. So for now, let's gonna put our oyster sauce to the whole chicken para po lumasa. Mas malasa pa ang ating manok pag prito natin mamaya. So, ilagyan na lang natin. Mas maganda po kung brush ang ating gagamitin. Kaso, wala po kaming brush. So, kutsara na lang po. It's frying time! So first guys, we need to preheat the pan and also the oil. So ito na guys, sobrang init na po ng ating oil. So, here's the chicken. Yuhuu! Yan na po, inalagay na po natin ang ating chicken. And let's wait until it's cooked. And syempre, hindi po ako magpapakabog. So, nagprito po ako ng potato tsaka garlic para po sa ating garnish mamaya. ito na po guys ang ating Alamax fried chicken. Pasensya na po guys, may kurot na po sa gilid kasi hindi na po nakahintay ang mga tao dito sa amin. So ayan na po, sobrang sarap at sobrang juicy po niya. Sobrang lambot po niya kasi po pinakuluan po natin siya ng mga ilang minuto at pinasobrahan po namin yon. Sobrang sarap po guys, oh. Sobrang juicy and ready na sa kainan. Yum, yum, yum! Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. And mag-subscribe ka for more videos. Bye-bye!